So for our last page of notes, we have the Pathfinders Repair Kit. It's page 37 in your journal. You'll notice I've cut the pieces apart. I have this one as a separate item, and then this piece I've left the bottom long so that I can attach it to my journal. I am going to be using both sides of my journal page. So first off, I'm going to make sure this page gets attached with glue. I'm going to use this small piece of tape just to hold it in place for me. And then on the instructions here on Pathfinders, you are going to predict which bulbs will light by making a red star beside them. So if you think the light bulb will light based on how the picture shows you the setup of the conductor, the electrical, no wait, what did we call it? The energy source. Didn't want to get that wrong. The energy source, the conductor, and the load. If you think that light bulb will light, then you're going to put a red star in that box. So do that for each one of the images that you think will make the light bulb light up. Now, once you have all of your red stars in the corners for each box, you are then going to test which ones actually will light up. And you will be provided a baggie, and in this baggie is a energy source or a battery. You have your conductor and your load, which is your light bulb. So I'm going to test out A, and I'm going to attach my wire to the bottom, touch the wire to the side, and touch the top. I think it's pretty obvious. Well, it was. I think I might have burned out my light bulb already. Nope, there we go. So A works. So what I'm going to do now is, because it works, I'm going to put a yellow star. Actually, I'm going to color in the light bulb of the ones that work. Red star if I thought it lights. Coloring in the light bulb if it does. Now, if I get to one like B, and I have my battery exactly like B is, and I attach my wire, it's not lighting, is it? So over here, I'm going to take this picture, and I can write letter B. I'm going to leave it right there. I'm going to write letter B right there. Now, looking at how that picture is set up, I need to figure out how to make this light bulb light. So with it here and here, that doesn't work. Ooh, that does though, right? So moving the light bulb from the middle of the battery to the end, made it light up. So what I want to do over here is describe how I repaired it. So I moved the light bulb to the negative end of the battery. If I leave everything else the same and do that, then I can make that light bulb light. So now, for each of the pictures that you see, you should have your predictions already written down. You are going to test out each of these setups and decide if the light bulb lights up or not. If it does, add the color to the light bulb. If it does not, See what is necessary to repair it. Write the letter of the setup over here. And then show me or explain to me in words how you would change it to make the light bulb light.